What do you see, Holdy?
Hubby, I said goodbye, everybody.
Holdy, what do you see?
Eddie. I see a plane going right there. I see it going next to us.
What's it doing?
Taking up the Boston. It's doing the Boston.
Oh, okay.
And Nana and Star Wars is on there. Do you like the Boston?
I do.
Yeah, me too. Mom.
Look, what's that?
Mother! Hey, Dad, how come there's a little one? How come they are doing leather?
How many airplanes did you see?
Two, and we need to see many of them after we go home. We need to see many of them after we go home. Bye! Well, why is it three teeny tiny? It's like three teeny tiny. Come on.
Oh, here he goes.
It's going to Boston.
All of the planes are going to Boston?
Yeah, like these many. Many Where is it going?
It's all gone.
It's right there.
But it's taken off.
Yeah, it's still in the Boston. And I don't know where we're going.
All right, bye-bye.
Wait, bye-bye.